Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I am your IT teacher Shahid Ali Khan, and today we are going to discuss about that how could we calculate total marks and percentage of our students in a report card or mark sheet. So let's see how could we calculate the total marks and percentage of our students. We have already a sheet. In that sheet, you can see there are different columns, different values already stored, and that sheet is belongs to ABC High School and students grading system. First of all, we have to calculate total, and you can see there are different records and ID number. For example, a student ID number is given, name, subjects marks. For example, first subjects is mathematics, then computer, Islamic studies, English total, and after that there is a percentage column, and in the end there is a result column also given. But right now we are going to calculate total and percentage in this session, and in the next class we will calculate the grading system, or we will assign the grading system or result to our students. Right now we will calculate total marks and percentage. So first of all, you have to select a particular column from where you want to calculate the total marks. For example, this one is the right place. That is total column in cell H6. There is a empty cell, that is H6, and this one is in front of this record. This record is belongs to Ibrahim students, and it has different marks in mathematics, computer, Islamic studies, and English, and he got 60 marks in mathematics out of 100. Never forget, students, that total marks are 100. In computer science he got 96 marks out of 100, and same in Islamic studies, 45 out of 100 and 55 out of 100. So total marks is 100, and marks obtained are given in these columns of different subjects. So I want to calculate the total marks. So first I will click on the particular cell address from where I want to display the total marks of my students, that is students Ibrahim. So I will select that cell, and I will move towards the formula bar or FX window. Here I will write the equal to sign, and in Microsoft Excel the sum function is used, or some formula is used to calculate the total values or total marks. Whatever you have arithmetic values you want to calculate, so you will use sum, 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 and after that you will insert a small bracket and then mention the starting cell address. For example, starting cell address is this one. So I will click on this one. Let's see, it is highlighted now. That one is D6. This one, the starting point from where I want to calculate the total marks. After that, you can write by yourself by using keyboard. Press the colon sign by using shift key and the cell address where you want to calculate the total. For example, that one is G6. You can see G6 is highlighted. From D6 to G6, it has been highlighted. After that, you have to insert a small bracket and press enter. You will see automatically the total value is calculated in that cell. 256 marks he got. Ibrahim got total marks 256. So same method I have to apply with Ahmed. Again and again I will write that formula. No, there is no need to write formula again and again. Excel provide us facility that you have to write formula once, and after that you have to apply that formula onto other values, or you want to copy that formula onto other values. That is called relative cell address. So relative cell address means I want to apply that formula onto other cells. So I have to select and move mouse pointer, and there is a plus sign is appeared, a black color plus sign is appeared on the bottom of the cell, right side bottom of the cell. After that you have to press left mouse button down and drag your mouse or touchpad up to the end position or end mark from where you want to calculate the total marks. Look students, the total marks is automatically calculated. And whenever I click on the first address, then there is a D6 and J6. When I will click on the next one, you can see formula is automatically changed by the Microsoft Excel. This is the quality of Microsoft Excel that make your work easy. When I will click another address, you can see the formula has changed D9 to 69. So this one is D9 and this one is G9. So this is the quality of MS Excel that make your work easier. After that, I want to calculate the percentage of a student. So I will move my mouse pointer towards that cell that is I6. In I6, I want to display the percentage of a student. So again, I will move towards the FX window or formula bar, again equal to sign. So calculating the percentage, we have a total column. We must have a total value. So we already calculated the total marks. Total marks are given into the H6. So I will write H6, then multiply by 100. It is a formula to calculate the total marks, and divided by into 100 and divided by total marks. This is the formula of percentage, into 100 and then divided by total marks. Total marks, we have 4 subjects and each subjects have 100 marks. That means we have total marks are 400. So we will divide by 400. In this way we can calculate the percentage. After that you have to press enter and you will have a percentage of that students Ibrahim. The total marks of prime is 256 and the percentage is 64. Again, there is no need to apply that formula again and again in front of each record. You have to just apply the same logic of relative cell address, copy and paste. You have to just select the left corner of the bottom side of the particular cell address in which we have stored the formula of percentage, and again drag down after selecting or paste up to the end mark or end point from where I want to calculate the percentage, and release the mouse button. You will see automatically the percentage is calculated now. So in this way you can calculate the percentage and total marks of a students of their mark sheet or report card. Whenever you will click any cell, you will have the formula, and formula is changed now. Right now I am in I9, and in I9 you can see this one is become H9 and multiply by 100 and divided by 400. Again I will select the last one. In the last one the address is H15. So this one is H15, total marks in H15 and multiply by 100 and divided by total marks. Total marks are 400 because we have 4 subjects. You can increase the number of subjects, as I have explained that how could we insert a column between 2 columns. For example, you can insert here another column. You want to insert another subject, for example physics, chemistry, etc. So you can insert a column here and you can increase the total marks and percentage as well. I hope students, all of you understand that how could we apply total formula and the percentage formula in the grading system or calculate the total marks or mark sheet of our students. In the next class, we will assign the result card or the grading system. How could we apply the grading system? For example, if the percentage is 64, so what will be the grade? So inshallah, in the next class, I will explain about the grading system in Microsoft Excel. So until that, Allah Hafiz, I am signing out.